Chaffin, and today we're continuing our work on the 1464 Galaxy processor. This applies primarily both to the stand model and the wall hung. Now, what we're going to talk about today is how to remove the head assembly. We've been playing with it, so we have part of the stuff removed. This is the little cap that goes up underneath here. It's just held in with 2 Phillips head screws, like these little small ones you see here. Then your next step is going to be to take a wrench and take this nut loose. We already have it loose, but it's a 13 millimeter. So you just gently take this nut. It's got 2 washers behind it, and then the whole assembly will slip off. Now, a couple of things to note. One is there's a small pin screwed in here. That's what helps locate this. It goes into this slot that you see right here. And then these are the brushes. This is what transfers the electrical power for the heating element from the unit to the ring. They're called slip rings. They ride on this these little brass rings, and that's how the electricity transfers to something that rotates. So that's how you would take the head assembly off. If you're going to remove the actual heating element, then you would go through and take all these covers off, pull these little clips out, and then it's wired through the back side of this piece here. So that's a little bit more complicated, probably not something most people will get into. But that's how you remove the head assembly from the Galaxy. And again, my name is Johnny Chaffin, and thank you for watching.